In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make auto captions in Descript. Captions are a crucial tool for enhancing the accessibility of your videos, and they're also great for boosting engagement among viewers who prefer watching with the sound off. Let's dive right into the process. To start, open your Descript project and head over to the text section. This is where your transcript or any written content should be. It's essential to ensure that your text is accurate and thoroughly edited. Captions are directly generated from this text, so any errors here will carry over to your captions. Take a moment to review the text, check for spelling mistakes, and fix any grammatical issues. This step sets a solid foundation for creating high-quality captions. Once you've got your text in tip-top shape, the next step is to focus on captions. In the Descript interface, you'll find an option labeled Captions. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a variety of captioning tools and settings that Descript offers, allowing you to control how your captions will appear in your video. After clicking on Captions, you'll notice an option to select Prefer Scenes. This is a handy feature that helps structure your captions in a way that aligns with the visual flow of your video. By organizing captions into scenes, you can ensure that each segment of text is associated with the correct part of your video. This structural organization is key to making sure the captions are both readable and logically presented to your audience. And as you work through this step, take time to think about how your video is segmented and place captions accordingly. And there you have it, a straightforward way to implement auto captions using Descript. Remember that captions aren't just a nice-to-have feature. They're an essential part of modern video creation, enabling more people to enjoy your content in various settings, including those who are deaf or hard of hearing. Plus, captions can enhance your video's reach and comprehension in global markets, as they can be easily translated. Before you finish, give your captions another look to double-check their accuracy. It might seem like a small detail, but quality captions can significantly elevate the professionalism and inclusivity of your content. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you create more engaging videos with ease. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more video editing tips and tutorials. See you next time.